If you're self-employed and dreaming of buying a home, you've probably heard this before. It's harder for entrepreneurs to get approved. And you're right, it can be. But here's the secret. With the right approach, self-employed borrowers can qualify just like anyone else, and sometimes even better. So stick with me for the next few minutes because I'm going to show you how to unlock the door to home ownership when your income comes from running your own business. So here we go. Let's start the challenge. When you're self-employed, your income doesn't fit neatly into a W-2, right? Lenders look at tax returns, and here's the problem. Most business owners write off as much as they can for taxes. That makes your taxable income look lower than what you actually bring in. On paper, you might look like you're making 40 grand a year, when in reality, you might be pulling in 150K. That gap is why so many self-employed borrowers feel stuck. So here's a few myths I hear all the time. You can't qualify unless you show 2 years of perfect tax returns. Banks won't lend to entrepreneurs. You have to put 20% down, and these simply are not true. The reality is there's tons of loan programs specifically built for self-employed borrowers. You just have to know how to navigate them. Here are the real secrets. Bank statement loans. Instead of tax returns, lenders can look at 12 or 24 months of business or personal bank statements. They average those deposits to show the true income. Profit and loss statements. Some programs allow CPA-prepared P&Ls to verify income. That's a huge win if your tax write-offs make you look lean on paper. DSCR loans for investors. If you're self-employed and buying rental property, lenders can use the property's rental income instead of your income to qualify. Flexibility in down payments. You don't always need 20%. FHA, conventional, and even some specialty programs allow lower down payments for qualified self-employed borrowers. Stronger credit equals more options. Lenders will often reward you with better terms if your credit profile is solid, even if your income picture is complex. If you're self-employed and planning to buy a home, preparation is everything. So keep clean, organize financial records, limit big new write-offs in the year or two before applying, save for reserves. Lenders like to see cash in the bank. And talk with a mortgage professional early so you know exactly what docs will matter the most. A little planning now makes a huge difference later. So here's the truth. Being self-employed doesn't shut the door to home ownership. It just means you need the right roadmap. With bank statement loans, flexible programs, and smart planning, entrepreneurs are buying homes every single day. If you're self-employed and want to know exactly what you qualify for, let's talk. I'll show you the path that fits your situation that helps you turn your business success into home ownership. Because the only thing standing between you and the keys to your home isn't your tax return, it's knowing the secrets.